Hey guys, what's going on? It's your boy 2 to the BLE double S, and like I always do, bringing you new stuffs every day. So thank you guys for checking out this video. I really appreciate it. And don't forget to share, like, comment below this video, and subscribe to my channel so you can get more updates on other videos as I keep pumping them out for you. And so guys, what I have for you today, I have this cool trick for you today. Right now I'm going to be showing you how you can start making from $100 to $250 starting from today, selling logos online. And guys, you might be watching this video right now and say, hey man, to bless, I don't have a skill of designing video, man. How do I go about this? I'm going to also be showing you how you can get this logo designed for you for less than $10, and where you can get them designed as little as $10. Bring them to it. I'll also show you a place where you can start selling this logo for from $100 to about $50 every day. Man, God, this is so cool, man. You don't want to miss this. And so if you stay to the end of this video, I'm going to also be showing you my bonus, where you can get my bonus of worth up to $72,000 if you stay to the end of this video. I'm going to show you that bonus to how you can get it. So guys, I don't want to take much of your time. Let's get down to business and let me show you the site I'm talking about here. So let's go. So guys, this is the site. This is the site where you be selling your logo for as much as $100 to $250. The site is called Squad Help. You can see the name here right now, Squad Help. You can tag this, you can pause this video right now, type this on your browser. This is where you'll be selling the logo for from 100 to about $250. That's how much logo is being sold on this website, guys. This is how much logo is being sold on this website. And they also have other services that you can sell. These are name you can create a name for businesses. There are some people who own the business, who want to start a business, but they don't know a name. They can't think of a name by themselves. You help them generate a name, and you sell the name on this website. You can sell the name from up to $500. That's how much name are being sold on this website. So guys, you come to this website right now, and then you sign up. You click on start a contest. You click sign up right from above there right now, and you go to, they'll give you a they'll definitely give you a contest that you can start taking, and you can start taking the contest. So guys, just browse around this website. This is the website where you can see, look at people selling their logos. Look at people that have sold their logos already. People have sold their logo. These guys have sold a logo for $150. This one has sold his logo for $250. So it depends on how much you want to, how fast you need money. This one is sold for 150, and his logo design, you help businesses design their logo. You sell it for 150, 200, 250, and so on. This is also 150, 250. Guys, these guys are selling logo. They've won the prize. They've collected their money already. You see. Okay, see one of the logo. You can see how simple this logo is. You see, look at the logo right here. Look at this logo below that is showing right here. These are logo that these guys have designed. Look at another logo here. Look at another logo that another person has designed. So that is the logo that these guys are designing. And guys, so let me take you, I don't want to waste, just browse. This is another logo, the gold the logo, man. Guys, just browse. This is another logo, man. Just browse on this website, and let me take you to where you can get this logo for a cheap price, that you don't have to design this logo by yourself. I told you. So you can come to a site called Fiverr. Fiverr is a popular site. Almost everybody know where Fiverr is. You see the name Fiverr. Is called Fiverr.com. You type in the word Fiverr in your browser, register with them there, and you can start getting. You see, these ones are designed. This one said, I'll design a unique design logo for your business, $5. This one $15. Of course, there are many of them. Some are higher. Some are even designing also here for $100 and even $500, but they are cheaper ones. So this one is $5, $10. You see more $5, $10 here. You see $5, $10. You see $10, $5. You see $10, $5. There's so many of them here. They'll help you design logo as little as $5, $10, $15. So $5. They help you design the logo. Another site where you can go and get this logo for a cheap price is called Micro Workers. Micro Workers. You click sign up here and you can get somebody to help you design a logo for. It's more cheaper even here. It's more cheaper on this Micro Worker than even on Fiverr. You see logo, better, good logo for less than even $5 on this website. They are more cheaper one here. So you come to this website or you go to Fiverr, get your logo designed for you and bring the logo to this website for sale. Sell the logo here for 150 to 250. So how many logo can you design? Can you get design? How many job can you get every day? How many logo can you design every day? And you can start making from 100 to $250. So guys, that's it. I don't want this video to be too long. This is just what I want to show you, that from today you can start making from 100 to $150 designing, getting a logo job that you don't even have to design by yourself. Just get a logo job, bring them and register on this website, and you can start selling. You can start selling them. You can start selling them on this website. You can start selling them. You see, these are the congratulations to all our winners of the recent contest. These are the people who has won the contest. You know, in the contest of this website, companies comes on this website, they put out the job and people bid for the job, and the winner is who is going to get the job done. So guys, that is it on this. I don't want this to be too long. Like I said, come to Fiverr or Upwork, get your logo design, and come to this website to sell it. Come to Code Help to sell your logo. And so guys, this is the bonus that I have for you. I have this cool bonus for you. I'm gonna give you this here, the list of up to 1,000 plus courses of Udemy. That guys, this is what I want to give you. This is what I want to give you right now. If you reach out to me, I want to give you this cool gift. This is my account right now. You see my picture. This is my picture. It's the same picture that I have on Facebook right now. If I've not changed it at this time, if you type in this name, this is my name here right now on Facebook. This is the name that is going to come out. You can see my name. And on my Udemy course, you know Udemy now. Everybody know Udemy. Udemy is an online where you can sell your course. So this is, you see, this is my course. I'm logging on my course here. This is my courses. I have 1,000. Let me scroll down to show you. I have 1,000 plus courses. Look at it, 1,1153 courses in my account that I can start taking right now and start taking to become a guru. And guys, I have any topic, all the topics that I have right here, they are on this. All the topics that I have, all the topics that I'm strolling here right now, they are inside these courses that I want to give you. If you reach out to me right now, all these courses, they are there right now. They are inside here. So I'm going to give you these 1,000 plus courses that you can go right now. You can type in here, you can say you want to learn about Facebook, and you type in Facebook here, and it's going to bring up courses that have to do with Facebook and all of those things out for you. So guys, let me drop my email for you right now, so you can go right now and email me. Hey Tubeless, I want to that's my email. I'm typing there right now. That I want this Udemy course of 1,000 plus. That's my email. See, Tubeless. Hey, no, that's not correct. This is my email here. Okay, correct now. This is my email, Tubeless8 liars@gmail.com. Type in that email right now and email me and tell me you want this course, and I'll get it down to you. You see, they have about 22 courses on Facebook. You can learn these courses and become a guru at Facebook ad. None of those things. So guys, that is it for this. Go get your logo design here for cheap price on Fiverr, on Micro Worker, and come sell it here for $100 to $250 and start making money online from today, guys. So don't forget to subscribe to my channel, to like this video, comment below this video, and share this video with your friends, family, and loved one. And I bet you they are going to thank you and appreciate you for sharing this with them. So guys, I'll see you next time, and I still remain your one and only to the BLESS.